You've seen The Last Samurai, Tom Cruise, Noble Rebels, The Doomed Last Charge. Almost none of it is true. The real Last Samurai didn't die defending the old world. He built the modern army that destroyed it, then turned on it. And Tom Cruise's hero, based on a real man, a French officer named Jules Brunet. First, what the movie skips. For 7 centuries, Japan belonged to the samurai. Sword, armor, a code worth dying for. Then in 3 years, the government deleted them. No war. 3 laws. 1. Anyone can be a soldier now, even farmers. 2. Carrying a sword in public? Illegal. 3. Their pay gone. Pride, weapons, money erased with the signature. In the movie, the rebels follow a samurai named Katsumoto. In real life, this man, Saigo Takamori. And here's what Hollywood flipped. Movie, Katsumoto hates the modern world. The real Saigo helped build it. Trains, factories, a national army. He built the machine that killed the samurai, then watched it crush the men he grew up with. So he quit the government, went home, and thousands of furious ex-samurai followed him. 1877. The fuse hits the powder. Saigo leads his samurai against the army he built. You can guess how it goes. City by city, his force shrinks. Thousands, hundreds, until the last of them stand on a hill called Shiroyama. A few hundred men, surrounded by 30,000 out of bullets, down to their swords. He could have run. At dawn he charged. A bullet drops him, and the last samurai turns his blade on himself. But Tom Cruise, the outsider who becomes a samurai. Pure Hollywood, right? No, Jules Brunet, a French officer sent to train Japan's army in 1867. When the side he served collapsed, he refused to leave and fought alongside the samurai. For real. Japan later decorated him for it. So, Hollywood took 2 men, a Japanese rebel and a French soldier, nearly a decade apart, and fused them into one American hero. And reality gets stranger. The government Saigo died fighting pardoned him 12 years later, made him a national hero. His statue stands in Tokyo today, walking his dog. People loved him so much that when Mars blazed bright that same summer, they swore his spirit had flown to the planet and sold telescopes to see him up there. And the strangest part, we don't even know what he really looked like. Every famous portrait of him was drawn after he died. So, next time a screen hands you a legend, ask what it left out. The real story is almost always the wilder one.